peace of mind, your fulfillment, your joy, your prosperity. And maybe I'm here to let you know that you're not better than the birds. The birds are not better than you, but we're one and the same. But maybe the bird is just trusting his creator will provide no matter what. Kailan ka ba pinabayaan? Why fear? Why doubt? Why worry? And maybe I'm just here to remind you, your life here is to live it in purpose. Basta paniwala ko lang sa buhay, isa lang. You can have everything in your life that you want. When I say everything, you can buy the most expensive bed, but nobody can buy seat. I can have both.